Hi guys, in this video we will see how to share your screen in Zoom meeting app. If you want to share your screen in between your Zoom meeting app, then here are the process. When you are in Zoom meeting and you want to share your screen, go to menu from the bottom right corner and click on more, and here you will find the option share. Click on it, share screen, click on it, and your screen, which type of screen you want to share, entire screen, application, windows, some other features available here. If you want to choose entire screen, your entire screen will shared with your Zoom meeting participants. If you want to stop it, then you can easily stop from the same location. A share icon will also available. One participant can share at a time. How many participants can share at the same time? You can choose who can share. If you are host, then some settings you may change in your Zoom meeting. All participant or host only. Some settings available here. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. So you can easily share your screen with your Zoom participants. That's all.